It's cold outside, and I have the wintertime blues. I can't ride my motorcycle. So I've jumped on an airplane, and I'm flying to Portland, Oregon, where I plan to immerse myself in motorcycle culture at the One Moto Show. Welcome to a fun wintertime edition of Wheel Stories. For 2020, the One Moto Show moves to a different venue, Portland's Memorial Coliseum. Now the gallery of bikes, concerts, vendor displays, and flat track races can be presented under one roof. The One Moto Show is a genuine spectacle of two wheels. I'm attracted to the custom roadsters, bobbers, scramblers, and café-style bikes, stripped down to the essentials, with many components hand-tooled, made according to the bike builder's specifications and wild imagination. BMW is acclaimed for the legendary flat twin engine. The classic Boxer is an excellent platform for a custom build. The exhibit features the new gigantic BMW Boxer, the R18/2 concept bike. The One Moto presents a wide selection of classics and restorations. Many of the antique machines are showcased in the vintage room. As for electrics, the One Moto Show is wired up with this high-performance experimental design from Zero, the XP. The gallery also features several cleanly designed models from the Swedish outfit, Cake. There's even a few DIY homemade battery-powered units. Choppers come in a variety of forms, some fully raked with abundant chrome and lavish paint, others designed with a rough and ready outlaw type of style. Dirt trackers and motocross bikes are on display at the show as well. The flat track competition heats up with amateurs and professionals, with some comic relief provided by costumed riders racing on mini bikes. The evening is capped on the dirt track with the Super Hooligan main event. For Wheel Stories, thank you Portland, and thank you One Moto Show. Wheel Stories will be back. Until next time, be sure to hit the subscribe button, leave some comments, and share the video with some friends. Thanks for watching, everybody.